Margaret?
I had an accident, a car accident. I was driving and I crashed against another car. And the glass came to my face and I feel a big pain here in my arm. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
no problem. I'll examine you now. I will make sure that you're fine.
Yes, please.
Excellent. You can see that you have some blood as well in your face.
Yeah.
I'm just going to take care of it. Okay? Good.
Oh, no.
Yes. Okay. Is it hurting you?
No.
Have you taken any medicine?
Nothing. Oh, much better. Oh, much better.
I'm going to put a bandage on your head. Okay?
Careful with my hair.
Do you like your hair? It's nice. It's beautiful.
We don't have scissors.
Okay. We're just going to put some tape.
Yeah. Here's
over it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hold on.
Here you are. Okay. And you were saying that you're hurting in your chest as well?
She has brought an X-ray.
Oh, excellent. Do you know what an X-ray is? It's a picture to see the bones. Yeah. Yeah? Have you ever seen one of these? Very well. Let's see if Begonia, oh, Margaret. The spine is fine.
Do you know what's the spine?
Do you know what the spine is? And the ribs are fine. And the lungs are fine. And the shoulders are fine. Shoulders. This is good here. Very good. You have no broken bones.
I feel better now.
But you have pain in your arm.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Do you have any pain here?
No. Yeah.
Sorry.
A little bit.
Any pain in this side?
Yeah.
A bit. The other, this one.
This one. This. Oh.
Okay, let's move it. It looks like she's singing. Let's put something to help with your arm, Begonia. Here you are. Thank you, nurse.
You're welcome.
Okay. Oops. Excellent.
I feel better, yes.
Oh, very good, very good.
Wonderful.
And now I'm going to check one thing as well, because I thought you said you had a pain here.
Yeah?
So I wanted to ask you to sit on the table, please.
Yes.
Okay. What are we going to do with this? Very well. Perfect, Begonia. Or Margaret. Thatcher, Mrs. Thatcher. Have a seat. Yes, please. some painkillers to help with the pain. Okay?
Okay.
Minak duenez, Margaret, hartuko ditu pilulak. Bai.
Thank you very much.
If you have any problems, she has.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye. Miss Angela Merkel. Hello. We have to think art. Do you speak English? I don't speak German. I don't speak English. ¿Euskaraz dakizu? Pizka bat. ¿Castellano? ¿Hablas castellano?
Sí.
Dr. McCarthy,
Yes.
Angela Merkel for you.
Hello, Angela.
She doesn't speak English.
Oh, I'm sure that you can help us.
Yes, I will help you.
Very good. Have a seat, please. What can I do for you today, Angela?
¿Qué te pasa?
Me ha salido un sarpullido por todo el brazo y me duele mucho la cabeza, los oídos, la garganta.
She has been everywhere around in her ears, in her throat, and with that.
This looks bad, Angela. No, I'm going to examine you with all these tools in here. Okay? Yes? I'm going to have to look at your eyes, your ears, your throat, and your chest.
Ematen du oso tratxartu zaudela. Oso txartu zaudela. Tiene que mirarte los oídos, la garganta, la nariz.
¿Pero es grave, es grave?
No.
I don't think so.
Ez du uste larria izango denik.
Lasai. See. I'm going to use, who knows what this is?
It's not for years. No.
It's a thermometer.
Termómetro. Termómetro.
To check the temperature.
Ea sukarra duen. Ikusiko dugu ea sukarra duen.
Oh, there is a bit of a fever here.
Sukarra. Bai. How much?
Oh, yes, please copy it. 39.5. Now, who knows what this is for?
She knows.
Very well done. Ears. Let's have a look in Angela's ears.
Maybe there will be potatoes.
No potatoes.
No potatoes?
No rabbits. Okay, this seems fine now. And who knows what this is for? Very well. Let's have a look for a mouse. Say ah. Okay, it's a bit red. Who knows what red is? The color.
Red, the color